Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to convert from grams per cubic centimeter to kgs per cubic meter. Now let's say we are given 20 grams per cubic centimeter and we are told to convert this to kgs per cubic meter. Now the first step is to write what we are given clearly, showing the division of the units. In this case, we are saying is grams that are being divided by cubic centimeters. So it's 20 grams per cubic centimeters. Then we introduce our conversion there. Now, as you can see, we have two units here. We have grams that are supposed to be converted to kgs. We also have cubic centimeters that is supposed to be converted to cubic meters. So we need to take each one of them individually. So let's start by converting grams to kgs, and then later on you can convert cubic centimeters to cubic meters. Since grams is on top in this first part, it means in order for us to get rid of it, we need to put it down here so that it cancels and our kgs will be on top there. The conversion between kilograms and grams, we understand, say 1 kg, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Because the prefix kilo simply means 1,000. So 1 kg is equal to 1,000 grams. By doing this, you find that this unit of gram will cancel with the other unit of gram there, and our unit of interest, which is kilograms, remains. After doing this, we need to introduce another step so that it can help us convert from cubic centimeters to cubic meters. Now, it may be difficult for you to know how many cubic centimeters are there in 1 cubic meter. So I would rather you use this method, which is simple. You use direct meters to centimeters. Now, since we have cubic centimeters here, it needs to be on top on the other side so that it can cancel. Because if we put it down here, it obviously does not cancel because it will multiply, and that's not what we want. So we need the units of centimeters on top and the units of meters down here. Now, the conversion between centimeter and meters is that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. After doing that, you'll find that we're not looking for the unit of centimeters, neither are we looking for the unit of meters. We're looking for the unit of cubic centimeters and the unit of cubic meters. How do we get that? All we have to do is cube the top part and also do the same to the down part. So we'll give it to the power of 3. We'll also give everything here to the power of 3. So that when we say centimeter to the power of 3, this will give us cubic centimeters. When we say meter to the power of 3, it will give us cubic meters. Now, this doesn't leave out the value. So the 100 will also be given to the power of 3. The 1 will also be given to the power of 3. So let's write our new information. We'll have 20 grams per cubic centimeter. That will multiply by 1 kilogram per 1,000 grams. And this will multiply by, on this side here, we need to find out 100 to the power of 3. So we'll say 100 to the power of 3. This gives me 1,000,000. So on top here, we'll have 1,000,000. And then this to the power of 3 will give us cubic centimeters. Down here, 1 to the power of 3 will still be 1. M to the power of 3 will give us m to the 3. So this is what we have now. So since we have reached this stage now, we are there. This and that will go. This and this will go. All we have to do is do mathematics. Multiply 20 by 1 by 1,000,000 and then divide it by 1,000. So let's do that. It's a million. A million multiplied by 20, this will give us 20 million. So I'll say 20 million, 20 million divided by 1,000. This is giving me my final answer to be 20,000. The units remaining are kg per cubic meter. So this is my answer. So 20,000 kgs per cubic meter is equal to 20 grams per cubic centimeter. So this is how simple it is, and this is how you basically do it. So to finish it up, let's do the vice versa. Let's say we are converting now from kgs to cubic, from kgs per cubic meter to grams per cubic centimeter. So we'll use our answer here and see if we can get it back to the original answer. So what we have is 20,000. This is kgs per cubic meter now. We need to convert it to grams per cubic centimeter. As usual, we're going to introduce our conversion. We have kg on top. We want to get rid of it, so we'll put it down here. And our gram, our unit of interest, will be on top. The conversion is still the same. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. After that, we go on the other side and introduce the same step that we had. So in this case, we can again say we are looking for cubic centimeters. We want to get rid of cubic meters, so we'll put cubic meters on top there and put cubic centimeters down here. Now, since we already did the mathematics earlier, as we were converting from grams per cubic centimeter to kgs per cubic meter, we found out that 1 cubic meter is equal to a million cubic centimeters. So we'll just put it there and then we do our mathematics. So all we have to do is multiply 20,000 by 1,000 by 1 and then divide it by a million. So let me do that. 20,000 by 1,000 is giving me 20 million. If I divide this by a million, this is giving me back my 20. So we'll have 20 grams per cubic centimeter is my answer in this case. So this is how you convert back and forth. You can convert from kgs per cubic meter to grams per cubic centimeter and also convert grams per cubic centimeter to kgs per cubic meter in this way. Thank you for watching. Now, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Support us by sharing with your friends, and then also turn on the bell so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified.